What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here. So recently Instagram rolled out a feature where you have the ability to restore your deleted posts. If you had deleted a post by accident or your account got hacked or something like that and someone went through and deleted all of your posts, now you can actually restore these posts if they fall within a 30-day time period. Now previously, if you went ahead and deleted some of your Instagram posts or someone else deleted your content, there was no official way to get this content back unless you had it backed up somewhere else. This is great because it adds a little bit of extra security to your Instagram profile. Having the ability to restore your posts is a nice feature and we're going to be looking into it today. So without further ado, let's just dive straight into the phone and I'll show you how it works.
So to go ahead and to find where you can do this, if for example you've deleted something and you want to restore it, let me just do that as an example. So if I go to any picture on my profile and then I tap on the three dots at the top right and then I tap on delete and then I confirm the deletion, it now says changes to deleting photos and videos, basically saying that I can restore them. So I'll just go ahead and dismiss this and then show you where to get that. So if you go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and then you tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, then you tap on settings, then you scroll all the way down, or you go to account, you tap on account, then you scroll all the way down from the account page. Then you can see the second last option from the bottom is recently deleted. If I tap on that, you can see this is the photo that I just deleted and there's a 30-day countdown, and then after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So to restore this, I just tap on this, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right, and then I simply just hit restore, and then I tap on restore again. And then what's going to happen is you need to confirm that it's you restoring this photo. So you need to choose where you want us to send a security code, and then you can get the security code by email. Tap on next, and then you'll just have to go into your email, get the 6-digit code and then put it in here, and then tap on confirm, and then your photo will be successfully restored.
Okay, so that is how you go ahead and restore your Instagram posts on your Instagram profile. This video was recorded on an Android phone, but the process is pretty much similar on an iPhone. All you need to do is make sure that you have the email address that's associated with your Instagram profile. Make sure that you have access to that so you can get that 6-digit verification code. You type that in during the process of restoring your Instagram post, which just adds a little bit more of an extra layer of security, which is great. So if you have any questions regarding this, don't forget to leave any thoughts in the comment section down below. If this video was helpful to you, it'll be greatly appreciated if you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more Instagram tutorials just like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.